Hello, good morning, friends. This is Plani, and today we have a very interesting video for you, right? What we are going to cover today is uh, building an AI assistant, right? So we know that AI assistants are extremely powerful in having very natural language conversations. And today we are going to talk about how you can extend that to not only have conversations, but also perform some actions on your behalf, right? So ChatGPT and other LLM models now have the capability of function calling, right? Where you can define some API calls or functions that these agents can execute on your behalf, right? One of the use cases that we are picking up today is how can you automate making phone calls on your behalf using ChatGPT? And for this, we will use an AI voice calling app called Bland AI. So the way we will set this up is before we get into that, what are the use cases for this, right? Some of the use cases include, can you have the agents automatically set up one-on-one business meetings for you, automate the setting up of booking tables in a restaurant, and in a business or enterprise scenario, there are other use cases that can crop up here, right? Where can you automate the confirmation of book meetings with your clients, or can you send payment reminders via these automated apps and using ChatGPT or other conversational LLMs? Right, so let's look at the setup here. The way this is set up is we have created a custom GPT. It's an AI assistant, and what it is trained to do, it is trained to take inputs from the user for booking these appointments, right? So it will collect all the details that are needed to book the appointment. Then it will call the functions of Bland AI, right? So Bland AI exposes API calls for us to make those voice calls. And this custom GPT would automatically create the transcript for what is the conversation that this Bland AI needs to have with the client. It will create a nice transcript. It will create the objective of the call and then pass that information on to Bland AI, right? So Bland AI is a AI service that once you provide the details about what is the objective outcome you want to achieve from the call, it can have a very natural language conversation flow. It can automate that whole conversation flow, right? That is the Bland AI feature. And after the call, it can create a transcript of what happened in that call. And we have instructed our custom GPT to actually pull out the transcript and provide a summary or outcome of that call, right? So that's kind of how this is set up. Now let's go into the demo. I'm pretty excited to see how this works. So the way we have set this up is there is this custom GPT that we have defined. It's called Sanju, PAL's assistant, and we have instructed it that you should be able to book appointments on behalf. And here is the instructions, right? That it needs to collect the details, and then create a task, right? This is kind of the key capability here where it has to create the exact script that gets passed on to the Bland AI service, right? And after the call, it collects the transcript and does a summary of the call transcript. And we also have, as part of this custom GPT, we also have this actions defined, right? These are the function calling, where we have provided the Open API specification for the Bland AI service. Uh, and there are two APIs that Bland AI exposes. One is to initiate the call, and the other is to see here. I think there are a couple of APIs, one to initiate the call and other to get the transcript details. So now let's go ahead and test out. I think I switched out. So let's go to the Senju GPT and test out our flow. Hello. Hi there. How can I assist you? All right. Can you book an appointment with John? All right. So that's just a starting point. This is going to tell me what other details are required. It wants the purpose, the preferred time, John's phone number, and all those details, right? So let's provide the details. Let's give my phone number. Preferred date is 12 noon. Date for lunch. Let's have a lunch appointment on 25th April or 26th April. Either of those dates is fine. And we need to provide the outcome. This business meeting to discuss this proposal. John would prefer the meeting John's office. All right, so that is all the details that is needed. Let's see if it is happy with it. All right, it's got the details. Business meeting with John, timing of the call, 25th or 26th, at John's office in Koramangala. So now that it has all the details, it is going to fire up the API, right? I need to confirm this, and this should invoke the planned API to initiate the call. Okay, it says I've talked to planned AI. Okay, it's talking, and let's see. Awesome, and I have my phone ringing here. Let me just put this to speaker. Hope the voice is audible enough. All right.
Hello, Sanjeev House Personal Assistant. I'm calling to schedule a business lunch meeting with John to discuss a business proposal. We're hoping to have this meeting at your office in Koramangala. The preferred dates are either April 25th or April 26th at 12 noon. Could you please confirm if John is available during these times?
I think 26th of April will work good for John.
Okay, great. Let's go ahead and schedule the meeting for April 26th at 12 noon then. I'll make sure to block that time off in John's calendar. Thank you so much for your help.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
I think that went good. So it was able to provide the dates, and once I confirm the date, it has said it'll confirm the slot. So let's get the transcript from here. All right, now this is going to make the call again to the voice calling service to get the call transcript, and it's going to summarize that for us. Excellent. It says the call was successful. He said 26th of April will work, and the meeting has been confirmed. Excellent. I hope you can see the power of this function calling capability, right? Because we could now set up powerful automations where these LLM models in ChatGPT can actually converse with our users and then enhance the conversation by calling some functions and APIs to pull in that data to do some actions or to automate some steps, to automate tasks and all of it, right? So this is going to be a powerful functionality, and we should start to see a lot more AI agents. So this is being called as the agent 2.0, right? Where these agents can autonomously, perform some actions based on the conversation flow. And we should see a lot more powerful autonomous agents coming in the future. And we will also cover more use cases of this in our upcoming videos, right? So hope you like this video. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.